Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce this word, meaning box in French, so the plural of the word book. So how do you pronounce this in France? It is said as livre, livre. The S is silent because it's at the end, so just ignore it. We just put it there to indicate that this is plural. If it was not plural, there wouldn't be an S there, but the pronunciation would be the same. Livre is how it is said in France, but it'd be fine in English, if you cannot pronounce the French R, to say it as livre, livre, from French, livre. This is actually the same word to say pounds, like the unit of measurement of weight, pounds, same word anyhow. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting French words. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching, merci, au revoir.